Hi everyone, Bob here again. Okay, in this exercise, I would like to show you how to use multiple ifs and functions. Okay, we're going to be using lots of if and lots of and functions. Okay, okay, by showing the seat number here, you'll be able to find which zone this seat number belongs to, right? So we have ranges of seats here. I group it by 1,000 each zone. Actually, I don't know whether they're grouping it by 1,000 because I haven't been in any arena before, especially the football arena. Okay, so I just assume that each zone is having 1,000 group by 1,000 rather. Okay, so we're gonna be doing lots of ifs and function by just uh, writing the seat number. It's easy to find the zone number because as far as I know, when you are entering an arena, you have to find the zone rather than the seat number, because if you're going to do that, then you'll be lost, not be able to find immediately find the seat number. So we start now with if, of course, equal sign. And if there'll be, as I told you, there'll be lots of ifs and ands in this exercise. It's a long process, but once you have all the formula in place, be able to easily find the seat number. Okay, so if immediately you put the and remember, always put the open parenthesis right after the functions, like the if open parenthesis and open parenthesis. Then we'll do the first logical test. Okay, the logical test should be the seat number right here, which is located in cell number A3. Okay. Okay. The first criteria they're going to find out is the number seat number between one to 1,000. Okay. So we're going to use the uh, greater than and equal to or equal to 1. Okay. That is our first argument. Then comma. Then the next logical test would be A3 again. A3, right? Uh, less than or equal to 1,000. You know what? I'm going to go slowly on this one because this is a very long formula, and I want you guys to follow me and be able to follow me, and also me avoiding mistakes in my formula. Okay, so we close it right away, and then next thing is comma, and then the value if true is where you have the all the zones here. So between 1 to 1,000 belongs to A1 zone. Okay, so we click A1 here, which is located in B5, or rather B6. Okay, so comma, we'll do the second logical test, or the next one for the range 1,001 to 2,000. So we'll start with F again, then open parenthesis, and then open parenthesis. Then again, the A3 is greater than or equal to, the next one is 1,001. Range 1,001 to 2,000. All right. Okay. So this would be less than or equal to 2,000, right? Then close it. Okay. Every time we have the logical first logical test and second logical test, and another if and for first and second logical test, we always have to close, okay, that argument, right? Okay. Then comma. Okay, what's next? B7, where A2 belongs. Zone A2. Okay, B7, then comma. Do another if, open parenthesis, and open parenthesis. Okay. The next one would be, the third criteria would be 2001, or sorry, See, when I go faster, I make mistakes. So I have to go slower. So A3 or the seat number is greater than or equal to 2001, right? Then comma, the second logical test would be A3 is less than or equal to 3,000. Okay. Then close, then comma, then the location would be on B8, this one. Okay. Okay. Then another if, open parenthesis, and open parenthesis again. And then the logical test, number one, A3 is greater than or equal to 3001. Right? Comma, again, the okay, the next logical test would be A3 less than or equal to 4,000, right? Close it, comma, another, oh, sorry. The the next thing would be the value if true is this one, A4 zone, which is on B9. All right, then comma, then do another if function again and function, open parenthesis. The seat number A3 is greater than or equal to, this time is, we're going to do 4001. And then comma, A3 less than or equal to 5,000. All right? Okay. Then close it and comma. Okay. So where's the location? The location is on B10, the B1 zone. All right. Then comma, do another if again and then open parenthesis. I told you, so this is a long formula, but okay. But once you do it, okay, it's easy to find the seat number or the zone number or the zone location. Okay. So if and the next one would be A3 greater than or equal to 5,001. All right. Comma, again, do it again. Second logical test is A3 less than or equal to 6,000. We're almost there. We're halfway through. Okay, you just close it, then comma, then location would be, the zone location would B2 would be on B11. Okay, next B11, and then the next one would be if open parenthesis, then and again open parenthesis, then we're gonna get the first logical test for this zone is A3 greater than or equal to okay, 6,001. All right. Then the second logical test for this zone is A3 again for the seat number less than or equal to 7,000. Right? Easy. Okay. Next is the zone location, the B3, which is on B12. This one. Okay. Next, we'll do the F again. Open parenthesis and function, open parenthesis, then A3 greater than or equal to 7,001. Okay. Okay. Next is A3 seat number less than or equal to 8,000. Then close it, comma, and location of the zone would be on B13. Okay, this one, B4 zone. Then comma, all right? Then if, open parenthesis, and open parenthesis. That is not open, that's closed. That one. Then again, the seat number A3 greater than or equal to what would be the next number? Number is 8001. 8001. Okay, second logical test. A3 less than or equal to 9,000. Right? And then you close it with closing parenthesis, then comma. So the location of the zone is in B14. Okay, B14, this one, C1. All right? Okay, we'll do another if. And, all right? Open parenthesis. Okay. The next logical test for this is A3 greater than or equal to 9,001. 9,001. It's not 9,001. This one is 9,001. Okay. Then comma. The seat number location is A3. Then greater than or equal to. Oh, this would be less than. Okay. See, if I go faster, I make mistake. So that would be less than or equal to 10,000. Then just close it, then comma. Then the location would be this zone Z2. C2 would be on zone 15. Or rather, would be in B15. Okay, comma, if again, then, and then open. Okay. Next is A3 greater than or equal to 10,001. Right? Is that 10,001? Yes. And then comma, again another A3 less than or equal to 11,000. Close it. Close it and then put comma on it. And what else? The location of the zone, which is in B16. Okay, you got it. Then comma, if function, n function, open parenthesis. Then A3 again is greater than or equal to, which one is next? 11. This is the last criteria. 11,001. Okay? Then comma, A3 less than or equal to 12,000. The last seat number. Right? Close it. Okay? Then comma, value if true, the last zone, C4. All right? Comma, value if false, you can actually put 0 or you can put text if you want. No zone, for example, no zone. Okay, no zone. Just don't forget the quotation mark. Okay, so the computer will recognize it as a text. Okay, and then you find the bold block. Remember the bold block? Closing parenthesis. 1, 2, 3, 4. So many parentheses here. No, not that one yet. This one, I think. Okay. So you think we're gonna make it? Let's find out. Just enter. Okay, you got it. Okay. Why is no zone? Because there is no number. If you put 0, there still be no zone. Okay. You put 1, that's A1 zone. This one. Because seat number 1 belongs to A1. Right? if you put 100, for example, that's still A1. It say you put 1,200 seat, that's A2. Say you put 11,000, that would be C in C3. If you put 7, 1, that would be in B4. If you input 9,000, that would be C1. So therefore, our formula is good, right? Let's say you exceeded the 12,000, let's say 12,001, that would be no zone. If you put 13,000, that would be no zone. If you input 4,000, that would be A4. Okay? Okay. This is how you do the multiple F and multiple N function. Okay. Uh, to get these numbers, right? This range of seat range and finding the zone by just inputting seat number and you get the zone. Because I think it's easier to find the zone rather than finding the seat. Okay. So if you want to find 8,000 seat number, so where are you going? You're going which entry point you're going. Okay. So supposedly arena is bigger, no? And wider, especially if you have an arena having capacity of 20,000. There are arenas having capacity of 25,000. Even there are arenas having a capacity of 50,000. 50,000 people will fit inside the arena. So you must have some kind of system to for easily finding that seat number, right? Like like this one that I have done, finding the zone. So let's say 1 to 1,000 seat number. So we know that's already in A1, so it's easy to find. Okay. So that is our Excel exercise for today. I hope you like it. And until next time, thank you for watching.